अच्छे अच्छे नाम जीविए ट्रेंड नहीं वेरी रखे करके गोडे ते बेंड नहीं चक्कन लगे ना पतलौंड बिंद नहीं पहलिया
What?
तो गब्बरू कराउंड द एंड नहीं ए
Hey, Rohan's pick, Rohan's pick. Well done. You're getting better every time.
थैंक्स
Every
थैंक्स
time.
थैंक्स
What was
थैंक्स
that third line that you did? Something
आई डोंट नो
Karan.
चक 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 चक्कन लगे ना पतलौंड द बिंद नहीं सब ऐसे कुछ तो था
Hilarious.
चक करने लगे पता नहीं जो भी है मेरे को कौन सा समझ आएगी मैं अगर वापस दो बार पढ़ भी लूँ तो
Lovely, yaar. But nice artist song you picked to begin.
या
You know, it's Shubh, right?
या शुभ शुभ
Ah, okay. Speaking of Shubh, let's talk about Anjum.
ओह
That's one of our topics.
ओके नाइस
Yeah, so there is a notion of Anjum being anti-India, his anti-India story, him ignoring
You
the
had posted
audience. I had
a
posted, I'll talk about that. But this is coming
hmm,
from three, four people on my
hmm,
this thing topics, like ignoring the Indian audience or not being cognizant of their like emotions. And
hmm.
yeah, and generally, and there's other topics around Anjum, but what do you have to say about this one?
No, no. So I personally didn't know कि उसने ये सब किया. Then I saw news जिसमें बता रखा था that he apparently shared some vloggers content which
Yeah,
is not only pro Pakistan, which I don't have any issue with because भाई अगर आप अपनी country का
exactly.
support नहीं करोगे किसका करोगे? But
Exactly.
there was also a little negative on India's side, which is a little sad because I think he gets a lot of love from India. So
Yeah. He
for
has
him to
over 2 million followers on Instagram. I'm sure half of
hmm,
them, if not more, are from India, you know.
surely, yeah.
So, thoda sa sensitive hona chahiye when you post something. That's something even
Hmm.
I would do because I have a
Hmm.
lot of viewers in Pakistan. I will
मतलब
never
अगर
post
मन
something.
में आपकी फीलिंग है भी तो आई थिंक इट्स ओके इफ यू आर नॉट 100% ऑनेस्ट ऑन योर इंस्टाग्राम कभी कभी इट हर्ट्स अगर बहुत ज़्यादा हर्ट कर रहा है किसी की फीलिंग एंड देन वन साइड ऑफ पीपल हैव बीन गिविंग यू लव फॉर years and then there
Yeah,
was some issues that had turned up and then we're like नहीं वो पुरानी बात है he's a changed man now and all of those things were
which is fine.
cropping up
Yeah,
and people do change but you can't keep refreshing that feeling है ना
thank
you
you.
can't be like कि नहीं
It's
अब मैं
the
वापस ऐसे हूँ
it's
यार
the
now I'm an old man
refresh. Yeah, it's the refresh that that kind of got to me, and I was just like, because I'm very sensitive. I have a lot of audience on that side of the border, and I'll never
Hmm.
post something that shows their country in a bad light
Hmm.
at like my country in a good light at the expense of their
Yeah.
expense, right? It's just something.
Except cricket match highlights. I think only
Huh.
that time we can do it.
Cricket,
That time,
all's fair in love and war and cricket.
yeah.
So
Huh.
that's fine. That even Anjum does
Hmm.
on Twitter with the fan
Hmm.
pages and all. He takes every, the back and forth happens. But this, as a
Oh.
as an adult, is something that you will, it doesn't not come to your mind when you're about to post something that this might
Hmm.
hurt someone's sentiments or this might just be rub someone off the wrong way. I was
Yeah.
highly disappointed because, and then the thing is, people also message me saying, "Oh, you're just getting to this thing. He is just showing love for his country. Someone's praising it." I said, "Yeah,
Hmm.
I have no issues with that, but you're kind of, I'm also your audience, am I not?
Hmm.
And you're a grown adult. Like, I mean, this is not something one needs to sit down and explain to someone." But anyway,
ठीक है.
um, वो एक और point था when you took a screenshot and posted my post,
Hmm.
someone was like, "ओ आप तो रोहन को टैग करोगे तो वो बेचारा तो शेयर कर ही देगा और ये वो है." And I was like, बेचारा कब से हो
क्या
गया रोहन कर या
यार
फर्स्ट ऑफ
यार
ऑल.
वेरी इंसल्टिंग कि भाई ये जो टैग कर दो भाई बिना पढ़े शेयर करता
First
है
of all,
भाई
he
ये
doesn't.
इसको
He doesn't
हाँ
share a lot of the tags,
या
and I did not tag anyone in my story.
हाँ
So
स्क्रीनशॉट लिया था पर ठीक है.
yeah. So anyway, that was quite funny. So anyway, the conclusion of this is that we are very happy to have everyone praise their countries. We will also praise our country, but we will not do
Hmm.
it at the expense of others, especially if we have a big audience from there. This is
Hmm.
also in succession after the series of events around the
Yeah.
tour and him not
Yeah.
addressing it. फिर बोल के कि हम अक्टूबर में आपको बताएंगे जब वीजा आ जाएगा. अक्टूबर भी आ गया चला गया, हम फरवरी में बैठे हैं, कुछ नहीं आया. कैंसिल तो
Hmm.
हुआ ही है टूर, लेकिन आपने कभी अपनी इंडियन ऑडियंस को डायरेक्टली एक बार भी एड्रेस नहीं किया है. सिर्फ एक स्टेटमेंट आपकी मैनेजमेंट से आया है. दैट्स नॉट इनफ फॉर योर इंडियन फैंस. It's
Yeah.
just a little bit. Anyway, then about him getting under.
अच्छा है फिर तो कि
Yeah,
नहीं आया एनीवेज आधा ही शो करना था उसने आधे शो में गुस्सा हो गया तो भाग जाता है वो तो आधे शो के लिए वीजा करवाओ फिर बहुत सेटिंग है उस आधे शो
I
के
don't
लिए ठीक
know.
है
It's not worth it, Hera. So okay. TA getting repetitive and underwhelming. Whys have peaked slash have become repetitive. This overall
अच्छा ठीक है
topic.
मैं अब ये वाला टॉपिक हो गया ना नाउ आई एम रिमूविंग हिज पर्सनल वट एवर आई फील
Yeah.
नाउ आई टॉक
Objectively.
him, how objectively as Talanjum as an artist, मुझे नहीं लगता वो repetitive हुआ. Obviously he's released a lot of music. अब इतने frequently आप कुछ भी release करोगे, चाहे उसमें 3-4 genre भी अपने explore कर रहे होगे, somehow those 3-4 also will become repetitive because you've released that amount of music. I personally feel Talanjum is at his peak now. मेरे को तो वही लगता है.
Okay.
Or I mean, he can create a newer peak. I'm not saying that, but I'm not saying that he's fallen off या उसकी music की quality खराब हो गई. I feel he's doing fairly well.
You don't
उतनी frequently
feel
गाने देना.
the music production, the soundscapes are sounding similar from one verse, so
वही
let's leave it aside. But even
हाँ वही
overall,
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि okay, if he had released 10 songs last year, similar tone पे, no one would be speaking about him being repetitive. But because
Sure.
those 10 have become 60, whatever, like even if you एक artist कितना ही genres explore करता है, 3-4-5 ही कर लेगा, तो that basically means 60 गाने मतलब एक genre पे आपने 12 गाने बना दिए. That is the average. तो 12 गाने पे तो repetitive हो ही जाता है. I'm just talking about अगर उसने 10 गाने बनाए होते सिर्फ, no one would be
Okay.
speaking.
Now the counter argument to that is look at See Them On. They don't sound repetitive. They are releasing as much music, if not more.
Yeah, but so their aim with their projects is very different. See Them Out is my favorite for a reason because they are very artsy in a way. Their projects have a lot of depth in them,
Yeah.
and all of those things.
Yeah.
But I don't think Anjum की जो EPs निकलती है, he has any what you call like any storyline या any direction that he wants to follow. He just wants to make good music, and I think his music is good.
Yeah, so this comes down to artists now making it a point to release more music to just get their stream numbers up and to make sure that that revenue stream is constantly churning out, right?
So
Revenue.
there are also other benefits. For example, अभी he's जैसे मैंने बताया बहुत अच्छा चला उसका last 1-2 साल. So more music means more monthly listeners. More monthly listeners अगर उसका कोई tour वोर आता है, for example अभी कौन सी album आई थी उसके around उसका tour आता है, he can rake in more
Yeah.
revenue based on his stats.
Like,
And stats will increase when you release more music. So that like commercially या commerce wise अगर देखे तो it makes more sense.
It
मैं बोल
does.
रहा हूँ art wise भी.
Yeah, that's what.
I don't see him making bad music. So मैंने भी जब ऐसे ही लिखा था कि भाई what are your opinions, some opinions about Desi Pop करके डाला था, a lot of people are like Tala Yun is better than Tala Anjum, and I addressed that saying that I do not agree. भाई Tala Anjum ने has given us a lot of good songs in the last 1 year. Tala Yun is now, by the way, has become an underdog, so a lot of support for him. But in the last 2 years, has he really shown us his potential? जिस potential के लिए जाते थे, हाथ बांध, the खाना बदोश album में जो उसकी verses है या all of
I
those
mean,
things.
he ate on Two Tone, you know.
Yeah, so that I agree. Two Tone मेरे को individually गाना मुझे पसंद नहीं आया था. If you remember, we had that
Yeah.
discussion of
Yeah.
why Two Tone was least favorite track. Cut to extended version drops and that becomes one of my favorite tracks because Tala Yunis just changed the song. उसकी आवाज
Yeah.
उस beat पे सूट कर रही थी. My whole complaint was कि अंजुम की आवाज was being overpowered by the beat. But having said that, that one individual song can't be a measure of your last 2 years, whereas Anjum has given us a very good album, a decent album after that, and then some really good singles and EPs.
Okay. My thought is that I feel Anjum is getting a bit repetitive because
Right.
and the main thing is he is not working with a lot of producers. I understand that you have a relationship with someone or a couple of people, but I generally, and this is not just him, I'm seeing generally in the Pakistani circuit, there's just a handful of people who are constantly collabing with each other and working with each other. Nobody is going outside, nobody is looking at producers, not even in India, but just around, who bring a different, fresh sound to your now I know an artist who recently collabed with someone in the UK, and I can't talk about it, but it is sounding different from anything they've ever done, and you need that fresh creative energy, right, to be able to sound different, whether or not
औजला लग रहा है मेरा कैसे औजला है मेरा guest इस पे.
हो
ठीक है.
सकता है
ठीक
but you know what I mean. I have constantly noticed that they are all working with each other, even if it's
Yeah.
there's like a handful of good producers in Pakistan, and not taking away from their creativity at all, but I feel like over a period of time it does start sounding like a signature sound, and
True.
hence this Anjum dropping album after album, and the reason I compared with See Them Out is just because of quantity. We can have that comparison. See Them Out with Shakti Shama, with the albums, there's a storyline, there's a concept, there's a theme, etc. Anjum, I feel, after Open Letter, got a little lazy with this new album, in the sense of the only distinction we can make between them is the side A side B concept. Otherwise, if the songs are, the track list is arranged in a certain way, it can literally sound like an identical ish album.
True.
Um,
I mean, I liked the
features. That's
first
how.
album. I liked the first album better in terms of individual songs and stuff.
Yeah.
ये जो second album आई थी. So that I agree. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि he's the best or he's making some disruptive art.
He's making good
मैं ये नहीं कह
songs.
रहा. He's
Good
making
music
good
is
songs.
happening.
मैं
Yeah.
कह रहा हूँ repetitive का जो है, मैं ये
Hmm.
if the complaint was कि यार वो अब ना कुछ नया नहीं कर रहा है, मतलब कुछ अब path breaking नहीं कर रहा है, I would have agreed.
Hmm.
पाथ ब्रेकिंग तो नहीं कर रहा है बट
Yeah.
रेपिटेटिव का जो वो है वो आई थिंक दैट इज बिकॉज
People are listening to him too much.
बहुत ज्यादा, हाँ बहुत ज्यादा म्यूजिक है एंड देन उस
Yeah.
म्यूजिक में भी कुछ कुछ पंच लाइंस वही सेम, वो तो आई थिंक पीपल आर
That we
कैचिंग ऑन टू दैट.
discussed. Yeah. It's the most streamed, but that's okay. That's his now Takya Kalam.
सिग्नेचर.
Yeah. Now the third topic around him is why is TA and gang not replying to Nabil Akbar? What are your thoughts?
कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस.
What do you mean? He
देखो,
knows too
मैं
much
तो
about me, तो मैं अब reply करूंगा तो बहुत
पहली बात तो वो है
बातें
एंड आई
निकलेंगी.
डोंट, देखो आई पर्सनली डोंट नो much about Nabil Akbar as a person,
Same.
but is there a possibility, how do you know a bit about him, like personal? nahi.
No.
Is there a possibility that he could be a real gangster guy?
Yes, that's true.
That is a
Yeah.
so that explains it. तो नेजी ने तो बोला ही अपने पॉडकास्ट में, वो
क्यों आएगा
रहता
तो?
था ना, तो मेरे पंटर लोग मारते थे उसको, वो बोला ना नेजी ने. तो नबील अकबर भी वही बोल रहा होगा कि तू रिप्लाई करेगा ना मेरे पंटर लोग मारेंगे तेरे को.
पंटर लोग
In his
नहीं है.
Pakistani slang, whatever.
Okay, so you think
So
he'll
that's
get
my guess.
violence?
I don't know, but that is going to be my guess.
But that's a standard complaint against Anjum by his own fans कि ये चेनके को भी रिप्लाई नहीं किया, उधर भी नहीं किया. Like
चेनके
why?
को क्यों रिप्लाई करेगा यार? उसको तो खत्म, वो तो उसका बीफ तो खत्म हो गया ना.
तो नेजी को क्यों डिस किया अगर चेनके को रिप्लाई नहीं
नेजी तो इजी टारगेट है भाई. नेजी there was no
So you
way.
admit that this is easy targets.
हाँ, of course.
Okay. That's
तो मैंने
the
तभी तो मैं वो बोल रहा हूँ. अब नबील is not an easy target. Why is the question? Is he not an easy target because he's lyrically strong, or is he not an easy target because he's gang wise strong? That I am not sure. But obviously, why would you hit a difficult target?
to flex your skills.
कुछ अब नहीं है ये सब, ये वो फ्लेक्स स्किल वाला मामला जा चुका है पहले. इट्स फर्स्टली यू सी हाउ लुक्रेटिव इट इज बिकम. फर्स्ट यू सी कि अगर मैं इसको डिस करूंगा, विल आई रेक इन द नंबर्स, और वो ओनली ही विल बेनिफिट फ्रॉम इट. सो नबील अकबर के साथ तो आई थिंक ही विल रेक इन नंबर्स. सो दैट्स व्हाई माय अदर गेस वाज कि गैंगस्टर होगा वो, पिटाई के डर से ना कर रहा हो. दैट इज माय गेस, बट मेरा गेस है, मैं जानता नहीं, मैंने पहले बता दिया, फिर बाद में लोग
हाँ, we
बोलेंगे,
can
"ओ,
only
अर्जुन
guess. नहीं, we can only guess. Also because मेरे को बहुत requests आए to cover that diss, and they were
वो मुझे
saying
लगा, मेरे को बहुत रिक्वेस्ट आया कि आप भी डिस कर दो अंजुम को, आपको भी नहीं करता है.
नहीं, it's okay. I don't want to get it. But one second, what was I saying? Yeah, they said कि please cover this. They are Anjum fans and they are like, we don't know why he's not replying. He needs to reply because बहुत चीजें बोली हैं, नाम लेके बोली हैं, और बहुत reveal किए हैं चीजें. I've not heard the diss, so I don't know. But Anjum fans only are like, boss, you got to address these.
हाँ, कुछ तो बोला था कि भाई उसके घोस्ट राइटिंग वगैरह किया है, ऐसा बोला शायद उसने.
हाँ, something like that. I wrote this on Ghana.
बिग एलिगेशन. गिन चुन के 3-4 लाइन है जो रिसाइकल होती रहती है, अगर वो भी किसी और ने लिखी है तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. गाइस, आई एम जोकिंग यार, मैंने अभी बहुत तारीफ करी है.
ये
थोड़ा जोक
इसका
सही करो.
बनेगा, रील बनेगा कहीं से, तो कोई पेज आएगा अभी. कट.
ये बैंक कौन सा सेमी
रोहन करियप्पा सेट 3-4 तो लाइन है अंजुम के पास. Okay, very good. Fine. We don't know why he's not replying, guys. It would be fun, but as long as it stays within diss tracks and we don't know what the scene is there. I mean, it is Kattar Karachi after all, you know. Okay, Yunus, greater Anjum, TY's recent drop, side A expectations. Next.
देखो, साइड ए एक्सपेक्टेशन तो बहुत हाई है,
you know. Yeah.
साइड ए एक्सपेक्टेशन तो बहुत हाई है. सो इन माय वीडियो आल्सो आई मेंशन इनहेरेंटली इफ आई हैव टू सी द लेगेसी, मेरे को तला यूनिस बेटर लगता है. बट व्हेन आई एम टेलिंग कि कौन अभी बेहतर है, आई एम सीइंग द करंट स्टैंड पॉइंट, एंड आई एक्चुअली हैव नो डेटा लास्ट 1-2 साल का कि जिसमें तला यूनिस को मैं बोल चुकी हाँ, ही इज डन अ बेटर जॉब तला अंजुम.
Oh, you're a data guy. I'm a
अरे मतलब
feeling guy.
फीलिंग के हिसाब से तो चलो वही मैं कह रहा हूँ. फीलिंग के हिसाब से यू हैव टू कंसिडर लाइक लास्ट 10 years, देन मैं यूनिस को ज्यादा सुनता हूँ बिकॉज दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक दैट आई लाइक. So that is fine. But again, if I'm deciding my favorites, it has to be कि लास्ट 1-1.5 साल में क्या किया. वरना तो मेरे लिए नेजी भी फेवरेट होगा, क्योंकि मैंने उसको भी बहुत सुना है. बट जो लास्ट ने कुछ टाइम पे किया, that's not something that I like. So मैं उसको फेवरेट नहीं बोल सकता. तो वो रीसेंट के हिसाब से देखूंगा. तो रीसेंट के हिसाब से आई डोंट सी शिकवा जो साइड बी थी मुझे बिल्कुल
You
पसंद
wouldn't
नहीं
like
है.
it. I तो loved it. You know this.
या हाँ.
Hmm.
एंड वेयर एज अंजुम ने जो किया है, अ लॉट ऑफ इट आई हैव लाइक्ड.
Hmm.
सो यूनिस आई थिंक अगर साइड ए आ जाती है तो मैं बदल लूंगा. मैं दल बदलू इंसान हूँ इस टाइप से.
Dal bad.
अगर अच्छा इंसान, अच्छा अगर कोई
That's
होगा,
true. You
अच्छा कोई
are.
म्यूजिक बनाएगा,
Hmm.
तो मैं दल बदल लूंगा. ऐसे थोड़ी ना, मैं
उसमें
पर्सनल
कोई
रिलेशन
problem
थोड़ी
नहीं
ना
है.
मेरे अंजुम के साथ. हाँ, कोई
हाँ.
पर्सनल रिलेशन नहीं है. हम्म.
So I feel like Eunice is first of all I have no expectations. I don't think side A is even gonna drop. मेरा हो गया मेरा खत्म. I don't care anymore. It's too late now. But I also
हाँ,
like I know the delays are because of Ramzan and then Eid पे drop होगा ये सब बोल रहे हैं. So
वो तो उसने ताबिश आलम, कौन सा होस्ट है, बढ़िया सा होस्ट है पाकिस्तान, उसके शो पे जाके बोला दिसंबर.
I know
लोग
that's what.
दिसंबर 31st तक वेट करते रहे
I
यार
know,
लोग.
I know, I
इट्स
know.
क्रेजी.
It's so sad. You know what actually annoys me about the two of them is that they will say something like
समथिंग
this
एंड
and
देन
then
दे.
they will not address their audience. Like
हाँ.
आप stories डाल रहे हो लेकिन आप 2 line type नहीं कर सकते. You have so many freaking fans. Just be
हाँ.
direct with them, no? Not everything needs to go out from your manager. You can also directly talk to them once in a while and clarify
हम्म.
कि delay इसलिए है. Just it's very irresponsible. So anyway, I have given up. I don't care about side A anymore. I'm not even this thing to say it. Also, I feel like his recent drops I have liked. And when I react to them in the first reaction, like somebody actually messaged me when I reacted to the first 2 drops, like, did you really like them? And because I didn't, and this is a Eunice fan. So I was like, I actually really liked it when I first heard it. Is it going to have a repetitive value for me to keep going back to it? Maybe not. But the reaction is just my first listen reaction.
Yeah.
Um,
True. That's different, huh?
so a
Like
lot
for
of those
example,
tracks I have not gone back to.
yeah. So the reason I like Yunus is कि वो hardcore जो tracks बनाता है, you can endlessly listen to it. I can endlessly listen to again हाथ बांध.
I can't. You can.
टू टोन में जो उसका वर्स है, एक्चुअली नॉट किडिंग एंड नो डिसरिस्पेक्ट टू अंजुम. सो कुछ गाने होते हैं जिसमें आप ना कभी कभी एक वर्स फॉरवर्ड कर दो कि भाई मुझे ये सुनना
Yeah.
है ना. सो फॉर मी टू टोन में दैट्स व्हाट यूनिस हैज डन.
Eunice.
सो दैट्स व्हाई शिकवा से एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत हाई है मेरी, बिकॉज आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक फ्रॉम
I think side A will be more your type anyway. You know.
हिम.
So ठीक है, let's see if it even comes or not. Now, आपका साल तो already काफी eventful हो गया है. You were name dropped in some
या
situations which
correct,
caused you to. I
Address
saw, yes, I saw your video. Your
Yeah,
eyes
yeah.
are watering, which I was like, is he emo?
watering.
ऐसे
No,
थोड़ा
no.
सा
I'll
they
tell
were
you why it was
shiny.
watering.
There was
I'll tell you
sparkling.
why it was watering. I'll tell you why it was watering.
It was dusty.
I was in Mumbai. नहीं, I was in Mumbai. I come back. I reach at 11. मेरे को एक और ये वीडियो डालनी थी before other distracts drop, because मैं like और कीचड़ क्यों नहीं उछला.
Okay, yeah.
So I for that
When
to
a
happen,
rush.
I had to record it at night. Then I record for 1.5 hours. वो memory card corrupt हो गया भेजने से पहले. So this I have recorded it at 3. I started recording at 3 a.m. and then I finished by 4:30. तो जो shiny eyes है और जो गुस्सा है, वो एक तो ये है कि इन लोगों की वजह से मेरे को सोने को नहीं मिल रहा है.
नींद खराब कर दी रोबर्ट करिया. Bloody nonsense.
हाँ.
Okay, so that's what it was. I saw. I was like, कितना anger है यार. It was. You were angry, but yeah.
No, I was angry. I was angry for
Yeah,
that reason.
it's
That's true.
it's
It was a
justified.
little sad. So I'll tell you. So हम ना बहुत like me included, there are a lot of content creators around hip hop. They'll give you technical analysis. ये अच्छा लगा, flow अच्छा था. Those two guys, Hithuman and Muna, they're doing something different in the scene. Like they're creating wholesome content. I don't know if you follow them or not, but they're creating wholesome couple content around DHH, which I really like.
cute.
ये होना चाहिए. At least थोड़ा variety मिले अपने इसको भी.
That's sweet.
And उसके बीच में ये करता है. And then I had mentioned that in my video as well कि भाई if any of these people, including me, if we are collateral damage, कि आप उसको मार रहे हो and then damage हो रहा है, then it's one thing. कि चलो ठीक है, collateral damage हो गया, कोई फायदा. This was not collateral damage. This was their fighting war. बीच में एक बार बंद
Yeah.
किया.
Yeah.
तो मेरे को वो पसंद नहीं
Yeah.
आया.
Someone unrelated to this situation. Yeah.
मेरे को वो पसंद.
Not cool. Not cool at all. I didn't know what was going on until then. All this, I started getting messages. Then I saw your video because I was like, okay, let's get some context. I definitely from day one have not liked women getting dragged into men's brawls with each other. There is no sense to it. Absolutely no sense to it. And okay, I know what you'll say, that when the other person, it's collateral damage, person has been involved.
I have one question. I have one question. Now, for example, if someone's, I don't know how. Okay, I'll tell you later. But how you complete? But if, so for example, if that girl is involved in a beef, मतलब supporting their side,
Yeah.
supporting their side,
Yeah.
cheering. अरे
Yeah.
क्या कर दिया भाई?
Huh.
Then isn't, in a way, aren't they involved in the beef?
Yeah, they are, which is what I was coming to. So we know which one you're referring to. I feel like if
Yeah.
shots have been taken from someone like crew members of that rapper,
हाँ
and
हाँ
crew members में male female सब included हैं,
हाँ
तो
हाँ
आप उन
हाँ
पे shots ले सकते हो अपने diss
हम्म
में, क्योंकि उन्होंने
हम्म
आप पे लिए हैं, तो
हम्म
you are kind
हम्म
of responding to everyone through your diss track.
हम्म
But even involving an outsider who's not involved with your beef is a complete put off. It's
Can you give me
completely
an
off.
example apart from this recent beef? Can you give me another example where this has happened? So I'll see what my opinions about that is.
Where someone unrelated has been dragged into a beef.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't have that much beefs ka knowledge. Give me some beefs ka examples that have happened. Rap Demon fought with someone.
हाँ. For example, I'll tell you. I get it. I
Karma
have
and
a good
Younger
example.
Leech. Oh, sorry,
No, no, no. There
Galib.
was now then बोलोगे कि मैं biased नहीं हूँ.
नहीं,
मैं
अरे
तो
मुझे ट्रैक का नाम याद है उसका नहीं,
हाँ.
sorry.
I have it. Krishna and Mufar.
Krishna and Mufad में someone was dragged in the middle.
Spice Jet थी तेरी
हाँ,
बंदी.
not cool, not cool.
Hmm.
I
Okay.
have never said it's cool. If you see any of my reactions to any of these beefs, I'm like, why are you dragging the women into it? I don't like those kind of bars. I don't like those kind of bars and non-diss tracks also. I don't understand this mentality of, oh, I got your girl, so hence I dominated over you. It's a power trip. It's a stupid power trip that is very regressive and comes from a very archaic sense of thinking. Like, I can't dominate you in the field, so I will hit on your girl or get your girl, and that'll make you feel less of a man. I don't know where this mentality comes from. So anytime I've heard those bars ever since I've started covering Desi hip hop, I've always cringed at them. They always make me cringe because it's a very sadly prevalent thing in the mindset of guys in general. I'm not saying all guys, but it's just like, oh, तेरी बंदी मेरे साथ और मेरे उस पे और
मेरी बंदी तेरे
मुझे
साथ.
मेरे DM में what, yeah, और मैंने
No.
my body count is so high. I'm just like, none of this is flex. None of this, any self-respecting woman of value will actually walk away from you if these are the kind of things you say, because they literally first of all, my body count is so high makes you a walking talking STD hazard. It doesn't make you anything else. Let's be very honest, it doesn't make you anything else. What else is your value in life? What else is your value in life? Number two, you saying that, oh, I got his girl and his girl left with me and I took her home. Do you really want a woman like that in your life? I mean, is that your
No, they
value?
don't. Okay, I don't want to discuss on this, but they don't want it. They're just stating the fact. अरे तेरे बंद. Okay, it's like saying तेरे बंदे, तेरे गैंग के बंदे तुझसे लॉयल नहीं है. It's equivalent to saying कि भाई तेरे गैंग का बंदा मुझे फोन करके बोलता है कि भाई डिस्ट्रैक्ट बहुत अच्छा था. It's that. But,
So that
yeah.
does not reflect. So if somebody is not loyal to me, it does not reflect on me. It reflects on that person. And I'm like, if someone walks away from me, let them. I don't want them in my life. So hence, I don't. If I'm a guy,
It's too morally correct answer, but it's so weird to. Yeah.
but I feel like guys need to get this logic.
Okay.
Why don't they get it?
Listen to this. अरे तेरे बंदे मेरे पास आ गए, तेरी बंदी मेरे पास आ गई. ठीक है, अब जिनको मेरे साथ रहना नहीं तो मैं नहीं रहूंगा उनके साथ. Like that.
No. That is not it. If a
मैं नहीं
girl,
रहूंगा.
no,
मैं नहीं रहूंगा.
I'm sorry.
मेरे साथ वो नहीं है. मैं इन्हीं दोस्ती नहीं है वो मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड की कट्टी. It's like that. वो ऐसा होगा नहीं ना, लेकिन grown लोग में.
I'm sorry, that's not the way it is. If a girl leaves you for another guy because he like has a bigger car, then that girl is not the person you should be with. Okay, she's not.
But in a way, he's also showing that you have a smaller car also, right?
No, that
car is a symbol here. Okay, we're using car as a metaphor.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay, we have laughed a lot over something, but let's come back. The point I'm trying to make is a guy's value should not be attached to external things, especially not human beings in their circle, because human beings are fickle beings. They can party badlu dal badlu like you anytime. Okay, your value is
हाँ वो ठीक है. Now you're going too philosophical.
I
in
am,
a rap beef.
but I get very irritated.
It's a rap beef.
I know,
beef,
but guys inherently have this need to dominate over someone else, right? Which is fair. It's even in a beef, even in normal life. But that dominance comes from what? It cannot come from a girl being in your dal or some other dal. Okay, it cannot come from your car being bigger than someone's car. It's find your value in yourself and stop this.
क्या बोलेगा फिर? क्या बोलेगा? क्या बोलेगा कि एनलाइटेंड हूँ, मैं 2 घंटे मेडिटेशन करता हूँ, ऐसा नहीं बोल सकता ना वो.
No, no.
He has to
You
show
say
some materialistic stuff,
you say
some
my I
superficial.
don't know, my streaming numbers are higher than yours. Okay, that's a flex. Or I
Then सामने वाला बोलेगा वो तो भाई व्यूज तो 69 को भी आता है बोल के चला जाएगा, फिर बेइज्जती हो जाएगी.
listen,
व्यूज तो
I'm just
69
giving you examples of like
give me two
okay.
examples कि as a beef rapper how will you diss someone else कि भाई क्या है, कैसे कैसे बोल सकते हैं that I'm
I don't
better
know,
than you.
like say that I've bought two homes for my parents. What are you doing in life? You're still renting. Like, okay, that's a thing of value. Like you worked hard and you achieved something. Not I got your girl to sleep with me. That's not an achievement.
हाँ लेकिन होम एंड कार तो सेम हो गया ना, वो तो बिगर कार भी तो वही है, सेम चीज इंसिनुएट करती है.
Okay, I started like I don't know.
मैंने
I
एक कंपनी स्टार्ट की, फूड डिलीवरी बिजनेस है मेरा.
yeah.
कभी स्विगी
I
करवाई
have
हो तू भी,
I have
ऐसा
a
है ना.
10 million net worth, whatever. You know what I'm
हाँ
saying? Like something of
हाँ.
actual value. Not this bullshit. Like seriously.
Okay, okay, now you very good. I think we are building this conversation. Now you
Yeah.
have told this to me. अब मेरे पास नहीं है $10 million का बिजनेस.
हाँ
मैं क्या
तो
बोलूंगा, what? मैं क्या
तो
चुप करके बैठा
हाँ
रहूं?
हाँ फिर अपने आप को
नहीं,
कुछ बनाओ.
फिर मैं बेइज्जती करने पे आऊंगा ना, फिर वो लीचड़पना करने पे आऊंगा. अगर मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ नहीं है करने को, फिर मैं
Oh,
ये सब चीजें
then I don't
बोलूंगा.
know what can I tell you. You just need to go and work on yourself. Make something of
अरे
yourself,
that
and
I
then
will
you'll have
see.
enough and more to brag about.
एज अ ह्यूमन आई विल वर्क ऑन माई सेल्फ लेटर, मेरे को रियलाइज हो गया. बट मैं फेस तो दिखाना है ना मुझे अपने ऑडियंस को, तो कुछ तो बोलेगा. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यूर रॉन्ग, यूर
I
राइट,
know.
आई एग्री.
पर लड़की पे क्यों जा रहे हो?
इन अ सी लड़की गैंग, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स आर लाइक वेरी डियर टू यू बिकॉज दैट्स वेयर योर वैल्यू कम्स फ्रॉम. कि भाई मेरा गैंग है, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है. अब मम्मी पापा, मैंने तेरे मम्मी पापा चुरा लिए तो नहीं बोल सकता ना, तो मम्मी पापा को गाली दे देते हैं.
But this is what I'm saying. You're putting your value on external people, and people are fickle.
Hmm.
That I'm trying to get through. Don't do that.
बट दैट इज द सोशल नॉर्म, राइट. हम ये जो करते हैं चीज़ें, वो सोसाइटी में मोस्ट ऑफ द चीज़ें हम सोसाइटी में एक्सेप्ट होने के लिए करते हैं कि भाई लड़कियों के बीच में एक्सेप्ट हो जाए, दोस्त हमें अच्छा माने, मम्मी पापा हमें अच्छा माने. दैट्स व्हाई वी डू मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स. एंड सामने वाला आके बोलता है कि भाई तेरी बंदी तुझे रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करती, तेरे दोस्त तुझे रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते, तेरी माँ की ये, तेरे बाप का वो, तो दैट हर्ट्स बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट वी हैव बीन वर्किंग ऑल आवर लाइफ फॉर. आई एम नॉट
So
सेइंग दे राइट, आप समझ रहे हो ना. आई एम नॉट
I
सेइंग
know.
दे राइट.
So again, you said
देयर इज नो
respect.
अदर वे अराउंड इट.
So
देयर इज नो अदर
because
वे अराउंड इट.
okay, so now my point is it's not about the respect, whether they respect you or not. They are just low character people who will party change for stupid reasons. Reason XYZ, whatever reason. It does not mean that they don't respect you. This inherent like thinking कि ओ किसी ने मेरा ग्रुप छोड़ दिया, गैंग छोड़ दिया और उधर चला गया, तो मेरे को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता इसलिए किया है. नहीं,
अरे
he's
बट
gone there
90%
because
of the
his
time,
character is flawed.
90% of the time it's not even true. The bars where they say तेरी बंदी मेरे साथ, that's not even true.
I
That's
know
just to,
it's not
that's
true.
just
None
to,
of them are
हाँ
players actually.
हाँ, तो
They're
वही
just
एजिटेट करने के
pretending.
लिए बोला जाता है ना. एजिटेट करने के लिए तेरे क्रू वाले का कॉल आया कि भाई बेस्ट तक आपका डिस, या नहीं हुआ होगा, नहीं हुआ होगा तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी ने बोल दिया कि तेरा ये वाला गाना तो आधे गाने उसने गोस्ट राइट किया है, ये वाला गाना उसने गोस्ट राइट किया है. That need not be true. ये just allegations है. And then whoever has to be like सीधे मोहतर SOS में कितने सारे allegations लगे. No, we don't have proof of SOS being the kind of people जो सीधे मौत ने बोला है, और सीधे मौत being the kind of people जो SOS ने बोला है. We just choose कि अपने को क्या बिलीव करना है. क्या हमारे को SOS को देखकर ये फीलिंग आती है कि इस टाइप के लोग हैं. We believe that. So as rappers you want to one up the other person and show कि मैं बेहतर, सोशल स्टैंडिंग मेरी से बेहतर है. अब वो आप पैसे से करो, बंदी से करो, गैंग से करो, या दूसरे को नीचे गिरा के करो. That's up to you.
Okay, so now okay, so now from this point I have to say that it's वो true भी नहीं होता है कि तेरी बंदी मेरे साथ whatever. But आप बोलोगे to hit where it hurts. Most of the people in the audience also find it offensive. They're like, why did you say that? And I'll tell you, a lot of people from Ghosh and Uday's example, when Uday apparently apologized for dragging this one into the thing, 99% of the audience was like, Runal, 99% of the audience was like big W for him, for doing that. They said big W for Mufar for not dragging this one's parents into it. So even the audience is a very good judge of these kind of stupid bars
But
and stupid statements.
to do what I've made a shot on Mufar, to do what Mufar did requires very good temperament.
Yeah,
and not everyone
sure.
has that temperament. So for him to, so अगर मेरे को किसी ने हर्ट किया, my immediate instinct is to punch back कि भाई मैं तेरे को ज्यादा हर्ट करके दिखाऊंगा. To stop and be like, तूने मेरे को क्यों मारा, ये बोल देना. And then everyone is looking at you. हाँ भाई तूने क्यों मारा. That requires a lot of temperament. So if you remember, I had made a shot on this कि ऐसे मम्मी पापा के बारे में बोला, and then Mufad said कि माँ बाप को क्यों बीच में ला रहा है, and then Krishna had to retract, saying that कि तेरे माँ बाप की तो करता
With respect, yeah.
उनकी गलती है ना.
Yeah.
So again, that requires great deal of temperament, and I can vouch for any artist जिसने ये temperament नहीं show किया, that it's very difficult to show temperament at the point of beef, because a lot of conversation is happening. There's constant chatter. A lot of people are constantly in your ears. कि अरे आपको ये बोल दिया, भाई ये कर दिया, वो कर दिया. There are comments going on. To keep that temperament is not very easy. अभी हम बैठ
It's not easy, but it's not impossible.
नहीं, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ. अभी जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, जो वीडियो देख रहे हैं, उनको लगेगा हाँ ये तो टेम्परमेंट रखना है, अच्छा ही तो है. बट जब आपके साथ हो रहा होता है,
Yeah.
it's a very different.
I
It's a
agree.
very different ball game.
I agree. Even in the Seethe Maut beef, I said, we don't know what it's like to be in the thick of it. But
Yeah.
again, this brings me to another question. Is being classy in a beef underrated, or should we just stick by all's fair in love and war and beefs?
See,
Because at the end of the day, this gets more W's.
yeah, that's what I'm telling. But it's difficult to see. Every beef has a different moral yardstick, मेरे हिसाब से, and it is decided mutually by two people. Krishna versus Mufad never went as dirty as Krishna versus MEV, because
Yeah.
Krishna versus MEV was mutually decided कि इसको और गंदा करेंगे, and then this guy was like नहीं और भी ज़्यादा गंदा करेंगे, और भी ज़्यादा, and then it became Krishna versus Mufad में it started, and then Mufad stopped, and then it remained that very factual kind of beef, जहाँ पे वो एक दूसरे को facts बता रहे थे कि भाई मैं ANR हूँ इसका, अरे मेरे को टिकट नहीं दी थी, तुम्हारे ने पैसे खा गए, वो जो भी है, and that's why it is, I think, easily by a mile the best beef that we've seen and witnessed in hip-hop.
Yeah. So isn't it better when there's more facts and counters than all these
It is
lame sex
better, but
parts?
it's better, but it's very difficult. If one person starts it, it's very difficult to shut it down. वो temperament Mufad ने दिखाया है, it's very underrated.
But that worked for him, right? It kept him on
Worked for him.
a higher.
That worked for him. That worked for him by a mile, because obviously, because Raftar was Mufad's very good friend. I'm sure Raftar's camp had a lot more details about Mufad's life than Mufad would have had about Krishna's life. So अगर वो रेवलेशन वाले और इसमें चले घुस जाते,
Then it would
बहुत ज्यादा गंदगी वाले में घुस जाते, it was obviously a difficult battle. It was an uphill battle for Mufad, very nicely, and that's why अपने को वो equally matched beef भी मिली ना.
Yeah, but it's actually it's as a female listener, it's very off-putting just in general, these bars, and I get hate for a lot of my opinions on this stuff, but I generally feel like a lot of my male audience also wants me to talk about it, because they are the ones who suggested this topic, and they were like, last time you skipped that topic, please talk about it. And generally, let's even leave the beefs aside, the amount of sexism in bars, the amount of abusive language towards women in general, kuch kiya
Like
hai,
what?
nahi
Can you
kiya hai.
example.
Like, I don't know, like there are so many. This just your bitch and your blah. I'm gonna beep all this, but your and my the R word that I got a lot of hate for in Nunchuck. I was just very disappointed. And then in recent कुछ बोला King ने अपने verse में, which was so now here's my thing, people come at you saying, oh, English में बोला तो cool है, Hindi में बोला तो नहीं. Actually, if you understand the nuances of language, you'll know that in one language something can sound way more crass and disgusting than in another language. The words may mean the exact same thing, but you don't understand the nuances of language. That means if that's your argument. So that really ticks me off. And no, it's not okay even in English. I don't listen to that kind of stuff. I don't subscribe to it. And I think if you're gonna adapt a culture and bring it to your home, or go to someone's house, see what they do there and like it, and then bring elements of it into your own house, you're not going to bring the trash from there into your house, right? You're going to leave the trash out the door and bring the good stuff in. You're going to bring the musicality, you're going to bring the technicalities, you're going to bring all the good stuff. Why are you bringing the trash? Trash is looked down upon even there. The only...
No, it's not. It's not looked down upon.
So in pop culture, it is revered and this thing. Now, the only exposure that kids here have to that culture is through their screens, right? They've never actually physically been there. They've never actually lived in the US or in the UK or in Europe. They've never interacted with people in different societal layers of that place.
Me neither. Yeah.
So now you're a grown adult. I'm talking about young minds, very young minds. They're very impressionable. So now they see all this, they see all these artists getting awards, this, that. They think the way they talk is cool, the kind of language they use, the way they refer to women, all of that. It's very, very rooted in misogyny, sexism, and it's just crass, okay? In regular everyday life, nobody uses that language except obviously certain sections of society. And the others, normal people like us, it's looked down upon. And I don't think that's a reality that they're actually aware of. So a lot of people are
But
trying to
okay,
do away
good,
with the B
good
word.
point.
They're trying to do
Good
away with
point.
the N word. There are
I have a
actual,
I have a counter point. Okay, आपने बोला कि हमने वहां से चीजें लेकर आए एंड इट्स देयर कल्चर वी आर गेटिंग इट. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, इजंट क्या बोलते हैं, गाली देना अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग इन इंडिया. माँ बहन की गाली, लाइक इन द नॉर्थ इफ यू गो
not in
इट्स
my
यूज्ड एज अ
world.
पंचुएशन.
Okay. Okay.
अरे बट यू आर द क्रेम de la creme of
No.
the country.
No,
Come
no,
on.
no. Okay.
Where are you staying in Mumbai?
I'll say,
Where are you staying in Mumbai? You tell me that.
I'm not
Which
telling you
area?
anything. No, I'm not telling you anything.
हाँ, I'm telling you.
But
So North में it's used as almost as a punctuation. I had friends जो कॉलेज में मुझे मिले जो नॉर्थ से आए थे. I was shocked कि भाई इतना frequent कैसे
yeah,
भाई.
yeah, I know. I
So
also,
I
I buy
so
that.
it's
I get it.
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि let's not give all the credits to the Western culture. मैं कह रहा हूँ इंडिया में ही था ये गाली देने का जो रिवाज है दो बात पे. तो we have just included that in
Okay.
hip hop.
So that's why after a period, when I understood that, after my initial shock listening to hip hop, I was like, okay, this is punctuation. To my ears, it's a very like this gali I don't hear, but now it's comma and full stop in your thing. So fine, we'll desensitize our ears to it and we'll listen, which I've done. What is the need to call a woman something extremely derogatory and offensive? What is the need to refer to women as bees all the time? Like just generally, teri, meri, ye, wo, blah, blah, blah. No one's done anything to you. These are not commonly used punctuation words. Sorry,
It just looks funny coming out of your mouth.
I know, I will beep it.
Yeah.
I hate it. And you know what irritates me is girls using that word for each other, thinking it's cool. That really gets me because I'm like, you don't know the etymology. You don't know that word doesn't
But
need to exist in your day-to-day work.
okay,
You're not
I'll
being
tell you one more thing. I'll tell you one more thing. So language is never constant. Language changes with time and the usage. कि कितना उसको यूज किया जा रहा है. N word for example is a very good example. वो पहले कुछ और था, आज की डेट में जो यूज हो रहा है वो अलग तरीके से जो blacks यूज कर रहे हैं, है ना. वैसे ही I'm just putting out this thought कि क्या वो B word बात कर रहे हैं. Will you beep me saying it also? So I'll use B only.
Yes.
कि beep का काम थोड़ा. हाँ. The B word जो हम यूज कर रहे हैं.
or the R word.
Maybe R word नहीं, R word तो it's not normalized, वो मैं मान सकता हूँ. But B word could be normalized by Gen Zs as a dude.
No. This is my problem. I just don't understand the logic. We're taking ownership back like they took the ownership back of the N word. No. Why do you want to take ownership of a word that's derogatory to you? And it was never like I
But
just
because when you use it enough, the meaning and the feeling behind the word goes.
no, it doesn't. It will never go. And the thing is, when women use it, you're giving permission to the guys to use it as well. It's not like when the African Americans started owning it and said only we can use it with each other. The other people stopped. If the women try to own that word, the other people are not going to stop. It's not going to become banned or looked down upon when the others do it. They'll continue doing it as much or even more. So trying to take ownership of that word as a woman and blah, it does not work.
I'm not okay. This is not the N word example, but sometime over the years, वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, some words lose their meaning and start becoming something
I
else.
agree. Frequent
But
use,
you don't want,
blah, blah, blah.
but you don't want this word to be
Why?
prevalent in the society. I get it.
Why?
But हाँ.
There are so many other nice words to say to each other.
अरे but Gen Zs or not even Gen Zs, every new religion that comes, उनके पास कुछ नहीं होता है और एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के लिए. उनको बांध के रखा जाता है कि भाई तुम ये करो, हमारी बात सुनो, हमारी बात. सो वॉट एवर लिटिल they have their say on what they're going to wear, what they're going to talk. So they go in that rebellious state. तो अगर आप देखोगे every 20 years the fashion sense रिवर्स. सो पहले फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे टाइम पे वो जो एंकल सॉक्स थी वो
I know.
prevalent थी.
The Gen Z socks are horrendous.
No, I'm telling you, Gen Z socks बात वापस 80s पे जा चुकी है. हाँ, मैं कह रहा हूँ, इट्स नॉट अबाउट स्टाइल, इट्स अबाउट क्या सोसाइटी कर रही है, हमें इसका कुछ उल्टा करना है बिकॉज हमारे अंदर वो रेबेलियस फीलिंग है. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज लैंग्वेज इज वेल बिकॉज इस पे भी उनकी थोड़ी फ्रीडम है कि हम कौन सी लैंग्वेज यूज करेंगे, किस टाइप से एक दूसरे एड्रेस करेंगे. वो भी वो थोड़ा वो रेबेलियस जोन में जाके वो यूज करते हैं.
हम भी बहुत रेबेलियस होते थे. हमने कभी ये सब चीजें नहीं करी बिकॉज हमें खुद क्रिंज होता था. Like you what is this?
Sharif.
My vocabulary is very, very wide and rich. I don't need to resort to these words and ruin.
But you are very rich now.
How I come across.
But not rich. I'm saying, but you're very what you call. You're not the majority. That's something that you're not understanding.
Okay.
Majority अलग type के लोग हैं.
Okay.
So
now
you can't expect them to be like you because उनकी upbringing, उनके socio-economic standards या उनकी problems life में of how
it just stems from trying to fit in. which is the crux of the issue.
Yeah,
Don't try to
yeah.
fit in. Be your own class. Be your own class. I will not step out into the world because the minute I step out of my house, I'm representing my family name. That's number one. I will never present myself in a way that makes my family name look bad, whether it's in my clothes, whether it's in my speech, whether it's in my thoughts that I convey to others. I will always have some like dignity to how I conduct myself, because it's literally your CV to the world, how
Right.
you present yourself. So I don't
Right.
understand this bug that's in people's minds. Ki, I want to fit in, hence I'm gonna be cool and speak this way or dress this way. At the end of the day, the way you dress, the way you speak is your personal style statement as well to the world. Make
True.
that style classy. Don't make it crass. Anyway.
Okay.
So much for my lecture. So the point is
Yeah.
that sexist bars in DHH are off-putting for me as a female listener. The rapper immediately alienates me, and I don't mince my words when that happens. A lot of stuff that, like you said, the BCMC जो भी है daily use में होता है, वो I have desensitized my ears to. But it's like, you all are writers. आपकी vocabulary बहुत rich होनी चाहिए, like, तो वही तो game है, end of the day. So anyway, I know you're like tired of the topic.
Yeah,
Let's
I'm like, नहीं, I'm not tired of this. I can go on and on, but मेरे को लग रहा है कि ये बहुत
बहुत
you'll
deep.
have a difficult time editing it and then making it
Yeah, that's
थोड़ा सा short, and so मैंने बोला कि चलो इस पे topic आगे ही बढ़ जाते हैं. But
आगे
I put
बढ़ते
my
हैं.
points forth and you put your points
Yeah,
forth. I
I
think
agree.
we
I
can
think
move
y'all
on.
should comment below. Make this a very engaging episode, because tell us what your viewpoint is on everything. You can disagree with both of us, and then maybe in the next episode we'll take up your points and talk around them. Because it's a never-ending topic actually.
Imagine you have asked them to discuss all of that, and the first comment is, भाई बेला भाई की बात नहीं करी आपने. Imagine we have put up such a deep topic कि यार आप डिस्कस करो यार, आप बताओ हमें कौन गलत है. बेला भाई की वीडियो नहीं
आपने
आया.
बेला और धज्जी को इग्नोर किया. बेला और धज्जी को इग्नोर किया.
हाँ.
Okay, we're coming to all of that. Relax. So the other big topic is the latent controversy and its effect on DHH and your show, right, on Soundcheck.
Yeah.
So let's get into that.
Yeah.
Another big topic.
Yeah, so my show, a lot of people have been asking कि क्या हुआ उसका, क्या हुआ. For now, I can say कि it's postponed, but I have not spoken to Samay about this show. तो जब मेरे फाइनल जितने भी अलाइन होने थे, जितने भी मेरे को फाइनल सॉर्ट आउट करना था, आई गॉट लिस्ट फ्रॉम यू गाइस. तो मैंने उसको कंपाइल करके जो मुझे फाइनल नंबर चाहिए था वो मिल गया, और मैंने आज रात को दिया. ठीक है, ग्रुप है हमारा, उस पर दिया.
Okay.
अगले दिन सुबह FIRs हो गई. ठीक है.
Rohan,
नाउ
you are.
नाउ आई कांट लाइक, कौन जाके मैं इस टाइम पे, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन थ्रू अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ व्हाट समय इज गोइंग थ्रू लास्ट ईयर.
Yeah.
So I have a very good understanding of what's going through, what their lawyers are suggesting them, and all of those things. थोड़ा बहुत idea, because the same things are happening to me. But इनका outrage क्या है, बहुत बड़े लोगों के साथ involve हो चुके हैं.
Yeah.
So there is no way कि मैं उनसे पूछ लूँ, भाई वो शो हमने जो डिसाइड किया था उसके बारे में बता दो, because it's a very very bad time. It's I think
Yeah.
it would be the worst time that you are going through in your life, when the whole world is talking about you in a negative sense. I'll tell you, when this happened to me, after that, Shine can't even watch that video. Shine like, shit, क्यों किया हमने, क्यों किया. Although that video I still, okay, nothing. But Shine can't even watch that video. So they'll start, eventually even these people will start cringing on what they have done. At least
Your video on latent.
Not latent. अरे यार, last year मेरे साथ भी कुछ हुआ था जिसकी वजह से.
Oh, that one. Okay, that one. Sorry.
Yeah,
I thought you all
so
reacted to
about
latent or something.
No. So when something like this happens, you have to explain this joke multiple times to multiple different people. They'll be like, ये क्यों बोला. एंड देखो, सिंपल सी बात है, रणवीर इतना फनी इंसान नहीं है. ठीक है, उसको एक सेटिंग पे बुलाया जहां पे अगर आप फनी नहीं होगे तो आप
Yeah, he was trying to fit in, but
सो प्रिपेयर करके गया होगा 2-4 चीजें.
I know.
एंड
But
उसमें से डैंक चीज उसको ये मिली, एंड ही सेड इट. जब उसने ये बोला, दिस क्वेश्चन वर्कड ऑन द सेट्स. ठीक है, सेट के हिसाब से जो वहां पे एम्बियंस बना था, उसके हिसाब से उसने सही चीज ही डिसाइड करके किया था. नाउ ही विल रिट्रैक्ट. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल विल लाइक, बैड टेस्ट. यस, इट कैन बी बैड टेस्ट फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. अग्रीड. बट जब उसने बोला, तब रिएक्शन सबका आया था कि हाँ, किसी ने ये नहीं किया था. ओह, ये क्या बोल दिया. एक भी बंदा नहीं था जिसने ये बोला होगा.
okay. No, but what is your thing on a joke like that? Is it cool to just say those kind of things here?
But that's the whole point of Would You Rather. Any kind of Would You Rather is to give you two horrible, horrendous options so that you can't even choose one.
Yeah, I get it. But there are lots of ways to do a would you rather than involve your parents.
But वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, तो मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि बहुत फनी था, बहुत अच्छा था. इट इज अ बॉयज लॉकर रूम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ कॉन्वर्सेशन दैट दे गॉट
Why
टू.
are your locker rooms so disgusting? Is my question.
इट इज दैट नाउ.
Boys,
भाई सच्चाई
grow
है,
up.
सच्चाई है ये.
No, but grow
तो
up, yeah.
उसको,
Just-
अरे ग्रोइंग अप का प्रोसेस है ऐसे सब सवाल पूछना, बिकॉज रिप्रेशन इतना ज्यादा है ना, वो अलग ही टॉपिक हो जाएगा. हम
I know,
ऑलरेडी एक
बहुत
ऑलरेडी
अलग
सोसाइटी पे
topic
बहुत
है
डिस्कस
वो.
कर चुके हैं, है ना.
My
तो
thoughts.
रिप्रेशन इतना ज्यादा है कि बॉयज लॉकर रूम में इसी टाइप की बातें चलती है. दैट्स हाउ वी डिस्कस. बट द पॉइंट इज कि was it as bad of a thing as it proved out to be, or as it is being portrayed to be? No, not
Okay,
really.
I'll tell you my thing. In the US, they're also trying to have some regulation around online content. Okay, that's a standard. Even that government is trying to bring that in, because when we had entertainment in a public setting, it always went through certain levels of checks, whether it was print, whether it was TV, cinema, everything. There's a reason there was a censor board. There's a reason, because certain things are not for certain age groups of people. Where I think these guys messed up is, and I've seen this in the news, so this is reliable information, that there was no 18 plus marked on any of the episodes. That is already you've lost the case on that point, right? You have to self-certify on YouTube and also on the app. Now apparently he has an app where all his episodes go. वहां भी 18 plus नहीं था. उसका disclaimer अब बाद controversy के बाद आया है. So I feel like that should have been marked number one, like rule. That's you're safeguarding yourself also by doing that. And of course you can't control who finds what humorous, what jokes get cracked in a roast, the format of it. You've taken something from outside, you've brought it here. Whether or not you have the sensibility to adapt that to where you live, and the societal sort of what do you call it, what's the word, the
No.
norms be nahi, but the how much you can push that society, to what limit, like those limitations also. You have to work within all of that. If you're going to completely disregard where you live and the kind of environment you are in, and just say कि मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, मैं तो करूंगा, और मैं तो ये, मुझे कोई वो नहीं है, आप लोग सपोर्ट करते रहो, then I feel like you are treading very very thin ice, and that ice at some point will crack, and that's what's happened now.
But the only problem is, and see, the problem with this case that I find, and with a lot of case जो content creator भी होते हैं, that words are given more importance than
An
actions.
actual crime.
हाँ.
Okay.
तो अब
Yeah.
साइबर क्राइम में एवरी डे कोई एक बंदा भी नहीं है आसपास. यू कैन कम टू इंडिया, यू कैन आस्क, भाई तेरे को कभी कॉल आया साइबर क्राइम के लिए, तेरा ओटीपी लेने के लिए, किसी भी टाइप. देयर आर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ डिफरेंट वेज दे फाउंड जिससे आपका वो पैसा करा चुके हैं. मेरे दोस्त के साथ ही 2-3 बार हुआ है. सो दैट वी हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू क्रैक, where people are actually losing their hard earned money day in day out. पूरी लाइफ सेविंग्स ड्रेन हो रही है. इससे किसको फर्क पड़ रहा है? तो थिंग्स दैट ओके जो उन्होंने दिखाया सोसाइटी खराब कर रहा है.
So
सोसाइटी
how do you know they are not?
करती है.
How do you know they are not working on that simultaneously? They have other departments. It's not like
अरे
only एक
क्योंकि हुआ है
officer है.
क्योंकि अरे साइबर क्राइम तो वही होता है, क्योंकि हुआ है मेरे दोस्त के साथ. एंड देन व्हेन ही वेंट एंड आस्क्ड कि भाई उसका कुछ हो सकता है, देन वो कुछ नहीं होता उसका. फिर
Okay, so this is getting more attention from the authorities because of the amount of eyeballs on it. Agreed. We can't change that. That's the reality. We can say, oh, पहले real crime solve करो, ये वो, but that doesn't mean कि अगर आपका बच्चा वहाँ पे कुछ डूब रहा है, तो आप पहले climate change पे वरी करेंगे और बच्चे को नहीं बचाएंगे. You have to do both things.
यहाँ पे बच्चा, ओके मैं बताता हूँ, द राइट एनालिसिस. यहाँ पे बच्चा डूब रहा है, यहाँ पे पूरा स्कूल डूब रहा है उसी टाइम पे.
Okay, I don't.
ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ बहुत ज्यादा दूर की बात है. यहीं पे हो रहा है दोनों ही चीज, और दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड में बहुत डिफरेंस है.
Okay,
Wrong
I
example.
agree. Fine. You have to do both. If you're not doing both, then there's something flawed with the
Yeah.
system. I agree.
Yeah.
My whole thing is, you cannot keep expecting to push the boundaries, which in his own words he has said he is going to do,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then expect no repercussions on it. Once the eyeballs land on the stuff you're doing in your boys' locker room, you will have to
True.
pay the
I
consequences.
get it. And actually, इस सब के बीच में I really have to appreciate Varun Dhawan. Do you know what Varun Dhawan had said in?
I think I saw the clip. He said, I would have gone, but then that'll bring too many eyeballs to it.
Yeah.
And it
Like
will.
Varun Dhawan, like it shows कि भाई कोई भी उस stature पे है, they're not completely dumb. You wouldn't expect Varun Dhawan to say and to foresee things so clearly and so nicely.
Yeah.
And he managed to do it. उसको पता था कि उसकी audience और normie है. तो all of this happened because रणवीर की audience is like proper normie audience, and then we're like, ये मैं तो तुझसे expect नहीं किया था, तूने ऐसा कैसे बोल दिया.
Yeah, but honestly, I feel like that show and its format and its content, to have it available to all without an 18 plus warning, is in itself very wrong. Number one. Number two, that's not my kind of humor. I told you the last time, like I don't watch it because I tried 2-3 times
देन
different
तो फिर
episodes.
हिप हॉप भी
मेरे को
देन तो
5 मिनट में, नहीं, not
हिप हॉप भी
really.
सेंसर
It's
हो
not.
जाएगा.
I don't. Okay, so now coming to that, I feel like one, constantly roasting, bullying, demeaning someone, that's not humor to me. Sex jokes are not humor to me. I feel like some things are sacred in life. You don't need to trivialize them, constantly talk about genitalia and body parts. It's not funny. It's just very low hanging fruit, crass humor. Honestly, I'm being very frank about my
नहीं,
opinion on this because
मेरे को बायोलॉजी क्लास वाली फीलिंग आई.
I know.
जेनेटिलिया बोलते हुए मैंने किसी को नहीं सुना था
I
कभी. ठीक है.
because I don't want to use the other words. It's just
हाँ.
dumb. Like really, that's your humor level. You find he body parts funny. I don't get it. So now that has happened, and this is going to have repercussions on DHS. There were people who are posting things like, "Oh God, now eyeball should not land on Desi hip hop," right? Because अगर उनको पता चल गया कि इस locker room में क्या चल रहा है, और काफी
And I'll
दिनों
tell
से
you the
चल रहा है.
problem with this. And I'll tell you the problem with this. It just takes one incident for them to then scroll back and catch on to everyone who has said anything. Just one incident. So एक वो इंसिडेंट मिलेगा ना किसी को, फिर बाकी एक कृष्णा, एमिवे, ये जितनी भी इसमें सब सामने आएगी. सीधे मौत अभी हुआ भी था जब कोड की कंट्रोवर्सी आई थी, तो सीधे मौत के कुछ वीडियोस वायरल होना शुरू हुए थे. मतलब राइट विंग ने पकड़ लिए थे कि ये देखो क्या बोल रहे हैं, एंड देन मुंह फाड़ के एक दो वीडियो पकड़ लिए थे. ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स. सो आई एम टेलिंग यू, इट इज अगेन, इट इज वेरी रिस्की times for even Desi hip hop artists, and it, like, my suggestion, I cannot guide them, my suggestion would be to play safe from here on. Because you never know कि आप कब मेन स्ट्रीम बन जाओ. एंड इट इज माई एडवाइस टू इवन कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स, आपको पता नहीं आप कब मेन स्ट्रीम बन जाओगे. एक बार आप मेन स्ट्रीम बन गए
That
तो
could
पीछे
happen
की
with
चीजें
Honey
डिलीट,
Singh. Honey
हाँ,
Singh के
पीछे की
साथ
चीजें
वही हुआ.
डिलीट नहीं कर सकते आप पीछे
Yeah.
की चीजें डिलीट नहीं कर सकते. पीछे की चीजें वापस आ जाएगी आपके पास.
Yeah, it's all out in the open.
रिस्की, या इट्स लिटिल रिस्की.
It is a risky time, but then again, rappers are known to be rebels, and they're like, rap में there's no limit, there's no boundary. वो भी चलता रहता है. I just feel like you define your own things.
Yeah.
And that's all. It's all on self certification. Certify correctly.
बेस्ट.
R rated है, A rated है, क्या है? Okay, so we feel that. So what is happening with your show then? Finally, is it gonna?
I have no updates on that.
No
to be
updates.
honest.
Yeah, can't get any
Mostly,
update right now.
हाँ, mostly देखो postpone तो 100% है.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
no way around it.
Yeah,
Will he have? So it is also a little exhausting, all of these process.
yeah.
पता नहीं मैं कितना डिटेल में नहीं बता पाऊंगा शायद, बिकॉज मेरा भी चल ही रहा है, बट इट्स वेरी एग्जॉस्टिंग. एंड उसके बाद कितना ब्रेव है एक बंदा टू कम बैक एंड स्टार्ट हिज वर्क अगेन, सेम
Yeah.
काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी.
Yeah.
दैट विल डिटरमिन कि साउंड चेक होगा भी या नहीं होगा.
So
Because अगर नहीं भी होगा ना, अगर नहीं भी होगा, there's I can't blame समय, because it is tough. ये जो अभी
It's
इसके साथ
tough,
होने वाला है अगले
but
2
he
दिन,
seems
2-3
like a mentally tough guy. Like I feel like he's okay, not taking away from all the good he's done in the public eye. He has entertained people. He has, given chess a whole new life among the youth. He's done so
No, even
much
charity
good.
work. Even charity work. COVID के time पे he has done, like he had one server, I remember, जो कि cylinders वगैरह पहुंचाते थे time पे, and it was
Yeah.
active even post COVID. So all of those things he's done. मैं समय as a person की बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं just
No,
बात
I'm
कर
saying
रहा हूँ.
his goodwill will help him come back, and I feel like
Why?
he
How
also
will his
seems,
goodwill help him?
because he's got his backers, he's got his fans, he's got people that he's done
अरे
good
वो नहीं
to.
होता, वो नहीं होता. अरे वो that is, it's not external, it's internal. कि मैंने
Support.
इतना किया और एंड में सपोर्ट नहीं, मैंने इतना
हाँ,
किया.
तो-
Because सपोर्ट कुछ काम की नहीं आएगी ना अभी.
No, but that's
अभी
what I'm
जब-
saying. He feels like he's an internally strong guy.
हाँ,
He's not
if
gonna
he-
let
if-
this get him down.
हाँ,
I don't know, but I
hope.
don't know how
I
long
hope.
it'll take to
I hope, yeah,
get
but
to that
it is,
point.
because it is, but it is going to be, a difficult few months for him.
For sure, for sure. I mean, legal proceedings are difficult, and you know this
अरे
also.
भाई, लीगल प्रोसीडिंग क्या, बैंक में चले जाओ आप यार. बैंक ही कितना मुश्किल हो जाता है. आप सोचो कि जब आपको मुजरिम बना के ला रहे हैं तो कितना मुश्किल होता होगा. छोड़ दो इस बात को भाई साहब.
Listen,
कितना
life
trauma
is
अभी
about
handle किया है
ups and
मेरा.
downs. As my professor used to say, life is full of pain and suffering. So we we shall learn from the bumps that happen in life. Okay. Moving on. What is the next? I think you're right. Effect in lyrics on DHH, people have to just be careful. Okay, Krishna drop when Krishna nervous to drop album because of expectations, tarnishing his legacy, overrated Krishna X A which. These are all the Krishna
ये
related
क्या
topics.
अच्छा द डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस
Yeah, different topics,
मेरे
all
को लगा कि
Krishna
उसको
related. I just
उसको स्ट्रक्चर
combined.
करना नहीं आया अपना कि क्या बोलना चाह रहा है वो
नहीं, नहीं, different
हाँ
logo. Okay, so Krishna
ओके
drop when? Do you think he's nervous to drop because of expectations? Has he tarnished his legacy by being absent for so long? Is he overrated? And what are your thoughts on Krishna X A which coming out?
I don't think he has tarnished his legacy by not dropping because
Yeah.
I think that is part of his आइडेंटिटी की अगर होता कि भाई मैं तो ड्रॉप करता रहूंगा एंड देन वो ड्रॉप नहीं करता एक साल के लिए दैट्स व्हेन यू कैन बी लाइक ओ भाई डर रहा है आई डोंट थिंक
Yeah. It takes
मेरे
time.
हिसाब से
If he's making an
आई
album, it takes time.
या मेरे हिसाब से
Mm.
अब इतना डिले हो गया है ना लेट्स चेक कि स्टिल हियर कब आया था मेरा गेस होगा कि उस डेट पे आएगा
2021 था ना?
अरे डेट पूछ रहा हूँ
March.
मार्च के आसपास ही आया था
You
दैट्स व्हाट
only
आई
did the interview. How do you not remember this?
हाँ बट आई स्टिल हियर
March or Feb tha, I think. Because that
यार
June
कुछ
I
बता ही
did
नहीं
my
रहा
podcast with him.
बता ही नहीं रहा यहाँ पे तो
March tha yaar, I'm telling you. I've
अरे
seen.
मार्च डेट जानना चाह रहा हूँ मैं मार्च तो पता है मुझे
Oh, dates.
डेट जानना चाह
Oh.
रहा
Oh, you're saying he'll drop it on the same date.
हूँ मार्च 18 बट दैट्स माय गेस ओके दैट्स माय गेस तो मेरा गेस
Guys,
इनिशियली मार्च 18th इज द ट्यूसडे पॉसिबल
possible.
डाल सकते
That's
हम्म
Guys, all the pages will take this
ए बट
and run with
भाई मेरे को
it.
कोई इन्फो मैं नहीं दिस मैं क्लियर कर दूं कोई इनसाइडर इन्फो कुछ नहीं है
It's a
इट्स
guess.
जस्ट अ गेस इट्स अ
Yeah,
गेस है ना
it's a valid guess.
मेरा
अब
मैं बताता
March
हूँ
पहुंच ही
मेरा
गए.
मेरा गेस था जनवरी को डालेगा
Yeah.
बट आई थिंक कुछ नहीं हुआ होगा कुछ गाने वापस ऐड करने होंगे या कुछ चेंजेस करने होंगे नाउ इट इज बीन पोस्टपोन टू फेब आई थिंक इट मेक सेंस कि अब वो थोड़ा और डिले करके मार्च 18 को डाले टू
Yeah.
मेंटेन कि भाई मैं मार्च 18 को दोनों प्रोजेक्ट्स डाले
Yeah. I think that's what's gonna happen because I also saw some pages posting कि their screenshot of their chat with him where they were like ये चीजें बच गई हैं कुछ काम complete होना. So the page asked him कि ये अभी तक stuck है या हो गया. He's like no, it's still stuck. Something like that had happened. So now makes sense, no? Your guess is very valid. Okay, now, yeah, I also don't think he's tarnished his legacy. He drops with gaps, and if it's been a long gap, it's because of big project slash living my life that you guys
या
have afforded me. So,
या
so everyone deserves their break in life. Okay,
अभी उनकी
now
वेकेशन की भी तो फोटोज वगैरह आई थी
काफी कुछ traveling वैबलिंग हो रही थी है ना
हम्म
last year. So very
हम्म
good. Everyone should live their life. Okay, Shama by Seedhe Maud, Shakti or Shama, which one do you like
शमा
right now? The second
शमा
one, na? Ha, Shama.
सेकंड
Oh,
वन शमा
hands
आई लाइक
down. Oh my God.
इजीली वेरी इजी
I think it's one of their best projects ever. Ever. I mean, it's so
easily
hard with them, but yeah, it's
no I have
top.
it's too soon
Shakti, I didn't like that much. One track I liked.
हम्म
I remember this. 4-track EP
नो
थी.
बट यार ईपी में कितना सही कॉन्सेप्ट यार भाई
I
दिस
know.
टू गुड
See, Shakti और Shama poem को split करके हमने ये, I mean, the thoughts and also the way they wrapped up Shama with the narration of the poem. Like, it is a moment in DHH, you know, the way they ended that project and that track.
yeah
Don't laugh. I'm
it's
just
very
saying.
good no but because you became like this so I it was a little awkward to
ये भी
look at
एक
the screen
moment
when the
है.
person is this yeah
Sorry, I get very excited.
yeah
It was, I was
no but
speechless.
their IQ when it comes to designing and conceptualizing a project is so high and no,
Yeah.
लोगों को पता नहीं कितना मतलब इट्स नॉट एज इजी कि हमने चलो एक कविता पढ़ ली हाँ इसका बना देते ऐसा नहीं आप वीडियो में आप कैसे उसको पोर्ट्रे करोगे कैसे विजुअल्स होंगे किस टाइप की राइटिंग होगी कैसे टाइप करेंगे हम इन दोनों प्रोजेक्ट को
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा
Brilliant. And I would say it's 50 IQ, 50% EQ. Like, you know, the
इक्वलाइजर जो अच्छा वोकल प्रोसेस करने के लिए सॉरी
just okay, never mind. They hit the right emotional chords in terms of how they connected it and then in how they conveyed
या
their like journey through this poem and where they are in life right now. That's not an easy thing to do.
ट्रू
Oh man, I have full like see them out, y'all are.
या
Okay, so Shama for both of us. Badshah Fitur. Okay, since it's gonna drop soon, what is the insider info you can give us, if anything?
Insider info I have
Of
some.
course, we know you have.
Yeah.
You are family,
So
Rohan. So
yeah.
family has
So
all the.
when is this track? When is this video dropping?
Be before the 1st or by the 1st of
Okay.
March.
So by this time, I think Dear Aditya would have dropped.
Oh.
Yeah, it's dropping on 27th, and the video is done by Inflict, and
Oh.
it is a beautiful video. If it was dropping before 27th, I would give you more information, but by the time this video drops, all of this information will be relevant. But it is like very well done. It is a storytelling video in one way, but it also has a lot of Easter eggs, timeline switches. मतलब there's a lot to unpack. And
Oh, wow.
Inflict ने क्या काम, Inflict ने, and even Badshah has done a very good job with the writing. I can tell you this. I can tell you this. This song is very good. One of his best. I
Oh,
would say.
wow.
Yeah.
So, Dear Aditya itself makes me think, okay, he's writing a letter to his younger self, which is amazing.
Yeah.
The concept
Yeah.
itself, and even from the trailer of the album, I found it I was like, oh my God, this is what we were talking about in our annual wrap up. कि अगर
Yeah.
बादशाह नहीं करेंगे तो कौन करेगा?
कौन
This
करेगा?
do it for Desi hip hop, and he is going to those
Yeah.
places.
So
Sounds
when I
like
spoke
it.
to him also, I spoke to him also. His focus has completely shifted now. Like even when like Inflict के साथ मेरी बात करवाई थी जब मैंने बोला था वीडियो बहुत अच्छी है, तो his brief to Inflict was also कि भाई तू ऐसे वीडियो बना जैसे एक इंसान भी नहीं देखेगा, कमर्शियल होना ही नहीं चाहिए इसमें। तो ऐसी वीडियो बना कि कोई नहीं देख रहा है इसको, उस हिसाब से वीडियो बना कि मतलब
Nice.
ईस्टर एग छुपाने को छुपा, डेप्थ ला. And that has turned out to be that. I was highly. So now it is very interesting whenever I listen to a piece of music before its release, because now I have to be objective about it. ठीक है, बिल्कुल मेरे को कोई आइडिया नहीं होता, and it's a test for me कि क्या मैं objective रह के सही decision ले पाऊंगा, और I will like everything. So with Krishna's album, I think I was objective. I knew Fall Off is a good track. It is still a good track for me, जो मैंने release से पहले सुना था. I like the intro before the album release, and intro I still like. पता है खाली ashtrays वाला जो था, क्या था, Still Here intro ही नाम था क्या उसका?
Yeah.
हाँ. So yeah, with this also I feel this is going to be a very very good song that people will like. I want to see if people end up liking it. But अगर आप गाना नहीं भी सुनते, I think video is something that everyone should check out once.
It sounds like a very personal track, and the video also with storytelling you're saying, then and that's a very nice brief point that I feel a lot of artists should probably consider applying कि कोई नहीं देखने वाला है, ये ऐसे ही
No,
बनाओ.
but this brief point can only a few artists can afford to give this brief point.
Yeah,
So now,
that's true.
So you have to understand there are two artists. यहाँ पे एक underground artist है, वो सोच रहा है कि मैं mainstream success कैसे पाऊँ.
You know, not all of them are thinking like this. A lot of underground
अरे
artists के videos are now wow, like better
अरे
than
वीडियोस
mainstream ones.
वीडियोस का ठीक है, जिसमें बोल रहा हूँ, दिस इज नाउ देयर टू सेक्ट. अंडरग्राउंड आर्टिस्ट थिंकिंग कि मैं ज्यादा नंबर्स कैसे लेकर आऊँ, ज्यादा मेन स्ट्रीम
Okay, yeah.
मेन स्ट्रीम आर्टिस्ट इज थिंकिंग कि मैं
point.
ज्यादा फॉर एग्जांपल रूटेड कैसे रह पाऊँ अपने के साथ, बिकॉज ही हैज अचीव्ड दिस, ही इज लुकिंग एट द अदर side of the lawn, this guy is looking at the other side of the lawn. So not every artist can, but again this is a difficult choice. यहाँ से यहाँ तो it's an obvious choice कि मेरे को ज्यादा
Yeah.
नंबर चाहिए because that makes lucrative. From here to here is a difficult choice that you're making कि भाई अब मेरे को कुछ अपने लिए करना है.
I have a solution. Everybody just stay real to the.
That's very idealistic. Most of your suggestions are like for the idealistic utopian world.
But then वही तो pop होता है. Like underground maybe when someone makes a really real video,
अच्छा.
like look at Unyal's Vartaman.
Kendrick Lamar मुंह पे लान
Everyone's
फेंक के
going.
मार, है ना?
What?
यही
Don't
तो
be like
बात.
But
You don't know this track. Don't tell me you don't know this track.
I don't know what you're talking about.
What? How don't you don't know about
I
Galat
don't-
Karam by Raga and Panther?
Okay, I know that song. Yeah.
हाँ, so that's this part of that song is going viral. Kendrick Lamar तेरे मुंह पे.
Oh, is it going viral? I didn't
Viral.
know. I didn't know. तो ये मैंने सुन के दूसरे कान से निकाल दिया होगा. So anyway.
Yeah, it's so shocking. So रागा ने अपने पॉडकास्ट में भी बोला है कि मैंने उस पूरे वर्स में एक राइम स्कीम मेंटेन करी है, and no one paid attention to that. Rather, their focus is कि भाई केंड्रिक लमार को एल फेंक के मार पे क्या क्या राइम किया है.
अच्छा.
For one Unyal example that you're giving me, I can give you 10 examples. तेरी अब्बू की लुंगी में केला मिलेगा. Why did that track go viral? You don't know about this track as well. Papa rap, Chacha rap, nothing you know.
हमें मत बताओ, हम just को नहीं सुनना. Just I'm very happy that the algo does not serve me these things. It's not on my radar. Okay. So fine. That's a difficult to wrap up. That's a difficult brief to stand by unless you're in a certain category of artist. Okay, let's move on. What is a topic that we
ए फिरोजी की एल्बम सुनी?
nahi. So yeah, we should talk about this. I've heard one song from the
Which
album,
one? Let it
uh,
be.
51 Gad. It's on the album.
51 God is a good track.
I liked
But I
it.
think there are better tracks in the album.
I'm
Oh
sure.
भाई कितना सही है यार.
Listen, they are all
They
freaking fantastic. All of them.
0 to 1 जो कि प्रोड्यूसर है मनदीप. These
Okay.
two guys have just absolutely killed it. These two guys have outshined in the album. Listen to these two tracks. Let It Be is very good, and उसके अलावा there's this which one? Look This Is Love. Look This Is Love is personally my favorite जो मैं सबसे ज्यादा loop किया है.
Look
And
This
then
Is Love.
Farida. हाँ.
Oh. Is it a romantic
Very
song?
good. Yeah, the
That's-
range,
Okay, that's
the
interesting.
lyricism, and
So
then
I've only
they're
heard
out-
gangster songs.
Yeah, so Farida Trip is good as a gangster track. The
Huh,
first track
I
that
like
they
it.
dropped, that is very good.
Oh, we can have
But
fire.
honestly, their poetic and melodic stuff is much better than even that. I thought that is their forte. That is going to be their forte because by Gujri gang hai Faridabad se. Their real forte is love and heartbreak. I feel.
You know what?
After at least the
I
first
didn't want
album.
to. I didn't want to listen to the album till I react to it. So I'm gonna do it in the next session. But I did see a pop up of their vlog when they were going to Rap 91, and they drove all the way from Haryana to Bombay for it. So I watched the vlog, and I have to say they're really sweet, chill guys. I liked.
Yeah.
They're all chill
So
guys.
I made a video on them and उसमें मैंने ये बोला था that collectives duo कुछ भी creative पे team बना के रहना ना it's very difficult. It's like a
Yeah.
very balancing act. So if this collectives just stays like this, मतलब there are multiple things that can happen. If it's not lucrative, they might break off. If someone becomes too big, they might break off. So
They
yeah,
might have a
generally
Mafia Mundi situation.
हाँ. So
kidding.
Mafia Mundir also started parting ways when एक बंदे का इंडिविजुअल करियर हनी सिंह का इंडिविजुअल करियर चल पड़ा. Then they were like, oh shit, we are doing it, we did so much, and but अपना तो कुछ नहीं चल रहा. So वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, like, even in the West,
Different reasons.
even in the West जो collectives टूटते हैं, most of the time the reason is कि एक बंदा बहुत ज़्यादा he grew bigger than the whole.
But यहाँ उल्टा हो रहा है. MC Square was already quite well known and all of that, and now he's
Yeah.
bringing the others.
So in my review also I've mentioned कि अगर if they can stick around for some 4-5 years, I think they can create a legacy
Yeah,
type
I agree.
of themselves.
I think
Because
so
they're
as well.
very skillful,
Yeah.
very skillful, amazing album. मैंने इतनी अच्छी album expect नहीं करी थी इनसे.
I'm very
मतलब करी
excited
थी
now
अच्छी
to get
album.
to it.
हाँ मैंने अच्छी album expect करी थी, no doubt. But वो Look This Is Love and Let It Be type का नहीं किया था.
I'm
It's-
very
it's level पे नहीं
curious
किया था.
now. No, but I think their forte is not just that they are like एक साथ हैं तो you're just stronger. But I also feel that because they are all really good writers, they all have very
हाँ.
unique strengths, and they
same
can
चीज
do
बोली मैंने.
they can do multilingual things because अब तो वो हरियाणवी का ठप्पा डाल चुके हैं और डालते रहेंगे, like that's their core. But they can also write in Hindi, they can also
Yeah.
do Punjabi probably. They'll have a lot of different elements, and because there are so many minds in this, they'll have so many different musical influences and sonicscapes that they'll bring and say इस पे करते हैं और ये वो. Just like सीधे मौत have two instead of one, which makes it easier to kind of bounce ideas off each
But
other.
again,
experiment.
if it वही मैंने अपने रिव्यू में सिमिलर चीज ये whatever you have spoken मैंने अपने वीडियो में भी सेम चीज बोली, मल्टीपल माइंड, सीधे मौत, ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग. बट फिर मैंने ये भी बोला कि आज की डेट में आप देख लो कितने सारे डुओ हमारे पास जो 3-4 साल में थे वो अब नहीं है. अब उसमें से वो डुओ अब इंडिविजुअल करियर्स बना रहे हैं. यंगस्टर्स बीइंग वन ऑफ द प्राइम एग्जांपल्स, फुल पावर बीइंग वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ दिस. क्योंकि इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कन्विंस योर माइंड कि हम एज ए डुओ चलेंगे बिकॉज एक तो क्रिएटिव डिफरेंसेस आते हैं. इंडिविजुअल करियर जनरली एक डायरेक्शन देना उसको इज ईजियर. सीधे मौत वर्क्स बिकॉज इन दोनों का ही जो फोर्टे है इट्स देयर राइट अमाउंट्स ऑफ लाइक माइंडेडनेस एंड राइट अमाउंट ऑफ difference in opinion and difference in strengths, which is a
And
balance
also,
that they've struck.
it's their chemistry with each other. My only concern with Ferozi would be how do you get all of them on every track?
They've managed it very well. Very good observation.
In the long run, how will they manage it?
No,
Will it become too much?
their song structuring is very different. So very good point. I have again one of the things that I had mentioned earlier कि मेरे दिमाग में था कि भाई इतने सारे हर बंदा हर गाने में रहेगा, 5-5 6-6 मिनट के गाने क्यों बनाएगा कोई इंसान.
Yeah.
But it's not that. They have played it very nicely. कोई एक बंदा सिर्फ 4 बार का वर्स करता है, and then later आता है 4 बार का वर्स करता है, कोई 8 बार का वर्स करके आता है, कोई सिर्फ हुक पे है. So they're not just सबका ईगो सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए नहीं है.
That's important.
Their main aim is कि गाने को कैसे बेहतरीन बनाया जाए. And then इस गाने को बेहतरीन बनाने के लिए MC Square की जितनी जरूरत है, मनदीप की कितनी जरूरत है, एंड बाकियों की कितनी ज़रूरत है, I'm not able- गुजर एचबी की कितनी ज़रूरत है, स्काई मिर्जा की कितनी ज़रूरत है, एंड देन मार्क भाटे की कितनी ज़रूरत है, वो खुद डिसाइड करते हैं.
That is the key. How can you manage the egos to not have it be about the egos, but how are you in service of the song? If you can maintain
True.
that chemistry and that understanding in your group and your relationships are intact on that, like that's your mission. Like we are here to serve this song, to make it the best we can make it. Everything else is unimportant. Then they'll last. They'll last a long time. That now depends on their personal equations, you know?
Hmm.
I
True.
like it. I'm very excited now to check it out. So that was there. And then I think we can talk about why so many rappers are inconsistent these days. Because
फेस्टिव सीजन जा चुका है, वो लोग फेस्टिव सीजन पे बहुत ज़्यादा रिलीज करते हैं, एंड देन ये टाइम जनरली थोड़ा ठंडा ही रहता है. आई थिंक
but
एवरी
it's
ईयर
also
दिस
no,
एवरी
that's
ईयर
also
आई थिंक.
there. Annual changes and season things. But I also feel like because now there is a phase of career has also progressed, no? Phase of career में batch
नहीं,
one
आर दे
has
टॉक ड्रिल स्पेसिफिक लाइक टॉप टियर आर्टिस्ट?
No, they're talking in general, but the whole scene where it was here has now shifted here. So now these artists will not be as consistent as they were when it was here. And as it keeps
True.
going, this will keep reducing and you know, so that's a phase of career thing as well.
ट्रू.
So ठीक है, वही हो रहा है. What else? Blah, 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 trap. Okay, I think we've covered a lot this time. I think 10 तो हो ही गए हैं. Last one, K. Dot performed at halftime with no backing tracks. Can we see that in DHH?
करते ही हैं यार बहुत सारे लोग.
बहुत सारे करते हैं.
हाँ, ये सीधे मौत तो विदाउट बैकिंग ट्रैक ही करता है.
Yeah.
उन्होंने तो बोला भी है -1 पे किए,
सीधे
किया
मौत,
परफॉर्म,
Divine.
हुए फेफड़े चेक. ऐसा कुछ तो किसी गाने में बोला था उसने, ऑनकोर की वर्जन को याद.
Let's see who, let's count. No, Divine does that. See them or do that.
दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट.
So valid
लेकिन
question. One second,
नहीं नहीं,
there has to be more. Youngie also does that. Yash
आई
Raj.
डोंट नो एक्चुअली. मैं बताता हूँ, मैंने ना ऑनेस्टली बहुत ज्यादा लाइव. सुमायोकी डज इट, हो सॉरी,
Yuki does
ईपीआर
it.
डज इट, ईपीआर डज इट,
Okay. See, now we're getting
किंग
some.
डज इट, किंग डज इट,
King also
सॉरी,
does.
किंग तो
King.
बहुत ही
Yeah,
फिनोमिनल है
he
यार
has a
लाइव.
band. Yeah. So I've noticed that Raftar and Krishna have added band members now to their gigs. Is that making them, but the track is still playing? I don't know. I haven't attended, so I don't know. But maybe they've started doing it as well,
Yeah,
but
but
not
so this
completely.
I don't know, but mostly this trend started with EPR कि बैंड के साथ करेंगे. He suggested it one day to King, I remember it, and then King started performing. And भाई जब वो King का वो जो कौन सा Champagne Talks वाली एल्बम लॉन्च में मैं था, भाई King is a phenomenal performer.
That is, yeah, yeah. No, but this band thing Krishna did when he had his first album. He toured, na, the Hard Rock cafes with a band.
Okay,
That's
no,
part
I'm
of
talking about
his.
King वाला मैं बोल रहा हूँ. And EPR has been doing it for years now, decades now actually.
Okay, so I don't know who started it. I'm just saying कि वो था, लेकिन in mainstream now when DHH has blown up, very few people were doing it. King, EPR being the ones. These guys were traveling with DJs mostly. Most of the artists are doing that. So can we see that in DHH? हमसे मत पूछो, rappers से पूछो. You know this really.
No, okay, rappers now again pay. I'll be the devil's advocate. पे आउट नहीं है इसका, समझ रहे हो? इट्स मोर रिस्क, मोर मेहनत, ठीक है, मोर मनी, एंड जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हमें मिलता है या फिर प्राइस, टिकट की प्राइसेस रहती है, डजंट मेक सेंस. सो इफ यू डूइंग इट, यू डूइंग इट फॉर योर ओन लाइक हैप्पीनेस, कि मैं ऐसा करता हूँ. वो जो सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलती है ना, कि मैंने भाई लाइव बैंड के साथ परफॉर्म किया, क्या साउंड आए, सिर्फ आप उसके लिए कर रहे हो ये.
So I feel that it also depends on stage of career. Agreed. I feel like for a event like a college fest or a club night, I feel it's okay to not have a band and do the DJ thing because people are coming there to mosh pit and to just let their energy out. तो मौका वो उस चीज का होता है. If you are going on an album tour and then you're having slightly bigger venues where it's all about you, your project, your audience, your fan base, then you need to go a little step further and give them a live experience that you know that one can talk about later. You know, so like,
True.
and I'm fresh out of Sid Sriram's event last night, so I am all about a live experience that helps you transcend. But I just feel like that is a very basic sort of commitment an artist should make to their fans कि अगर ये मेरे एल्बम के बारे में है और ये मेरा शो है, किसी कॉलेज फेस्ट का वो अपीयरेंस नहीं है, ये वो नहीं है, तो आप एक्स्ट्रा माइल जाओ, गिव योर फैन समथिंग स्पेशल, यू नो.
Agreed.
होना चाहिए. वो आपकी लेगेसी पे ऐड करेगा, लाइक इट्स गोना बी अ थिंग फॉर
Like
यू.
जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, इवन व्हेन आई आई डोंट अटेंड शोज बट मेरे को पता है सर्किट में कि भाई सीधे मौत फाड़ू शोज करते हैं, तो उन्होंने कुछ तो किया होगा कि बात मुझ तक भी पहुंच गई जो ज़्यादा शोज अटेंड नहीं करता है.
I attended theirs, one of the
हाउ इज इट?
first. I liked it. I'll tell you what I didn't like about it. One, I didn't love the
गाली
song.
देते हैं यार वो लोग,
No,
ये पसंद नहीं, अच्छा है यार.
I'm not that.
एक तो गाली दे देते हैं यार आते के साथ यार, ये ऑनकोर,
I
that is
have
one thing.
desensitized my ears to all this. Wait,
Hmm.
that's not what I was saying. What I did find a little bit not to my liking was the way they structured their set list. Now, every show they probably have a different structure. I'm just talking about the day that I was there, which was Simba Uproar in Mumbai, 2023 September, October, when I was here. Um, they had all the tracks that one would expect from a See Them Out to perform, high energy ones. Mehna was there. It's just that a lot of times when you're high energy and the audience is here, they suddenly dropped it down, which I was looking at Raj because he was hosting that day, and I looked at him. I said, I was not ready for this drop right now, So I just feel like thoda sa set list में एक वो ऐसे होना चाहिए, not ऐसे. That really throws, because I could see even the guys who were mosh pitting in front, they suddenly were like,
अब मैं मैना में क्या ही करूंगा यार, मैं तो टी शर्ट भी उतार दी थी लास्ट गाने पे.
Exactly. Boy, wow. I'm looking at these boys, they're like, and I was like, but I love Mehna, like, so anyway, Mehna off the top of my head, but koi aur ek to gana tha aisa. So I feel like they should just look at their set list and the energy flow of it all. Yeah, but theek hai, good show.
One more question.
There is.
And it is very important. Do they talk in between between their songs, or do they just perform? That is very crucial.
I love that.
That is very crucial.
It's very important. I feel if an artist just comes and just keeps singing, not even address the audience.
ऐसे है, एक दो है ऐसे जिसमें वो आते हैं and then बात करके चले जाते हैं, वो मतलब ऑडियंस को अपने साथ नहीं लेकर चलते.
Yeah. Live performance is an art, and if you're an artist, you've got to work on that aspect, because you have to take them on a journey. I'm not saying कि कुछ कहानियां वहानियां बताओ, लेकिन वो भी problem नहीं है. Just say, oh, by the way, I was here yesterday and this funny thing happened to me in between your songs. It's okay. It breaks the ice. It just, anyway, a lot of people are shy. They take time to overcome it. Anyway, it's an art. So lots of topics are there, guys. We've picked as many as we have time for. There is Ruab, which a lot of you all wanted us to discuss. We talked about it, and we both want to spend more time with the album. I want to react to it, so we'll talk about it in the future. Lots of things. Bella's on a live thing now. Bella, we should not forget Bella before we close this.
जल्दी बात कर लेते हैं भाई. मेरे को बहुत घबराहट हो रही है, मेरे को palpitation हो रही है. जल्दी बेला के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं.
He's on a reality show. This is a week-long show.
7 day live.
7
yeah,
days.
a week long show. 7 days he has to be in that show, and it will be, I think, streamed 24/7 or something.
Yeah.
He's with that Kacha Badam girl, I think.
What is Kacha Badam girl?
You know Kacha Badam song? Kacha Badam. You don't know Kacha Badam song? यार बहुत बेसिक्स से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा यार. सिलेबस कंप्लीट ही नहीं हुआ है वल्गैरिटी का.
Thank God. Very good. Very good.
नहीं, it's not a vulgar track. So basically कोई मूंगफली बेचने आता था बंगाल में, तो बंगाली में आई थिंक मूंगफली को बादाम बोलते हैं. So he used to sing this song, कच्चा बादाम ले लो, कच्चा बादाम करके, तो उसका म्यूजिक बना दिया था. And this girl made a TikTok.
Okay.
मतलब TikTok मतलब रील बनाया उस पर डांस करते हुए, and in that people were simping on this girl. So that's her claim to fame. कि भाई मैं ये कच्चा बादाम गर्ल करके पॉपुलर हुआ. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट इट इज. दैट्स हाउ मच आई नो. अब मैं भी टॉपर नहीं हूँ इन सब चीजों में. मैं बस
you are just closet topper. Anyways, so ठीक है. Bella's on the show. We should wish him good luck.
Bella might not win.
हाँ तो ठीक है, इसमें win lose करने थोड़ी जाते हैं.
The concept is कि दो streams हो रहे हैं. The Bella and this Anjali girl, and then दूसरी साइड पे करप्ट ट्यूबर करके एक बंदा है, वो एल्विश यादव का दोस्त है.
Okay.
Close दोस्त. वो Big Boss.
All his friends are on reality shows now.
Yeah. So this guy was in Big Boss as well. He lost and then he had to come back. And the winner will be decided कि 7 दिन बाद सबसे ज्यादा व्यूज इन दोनों रूम्स में से किसको मिले.
Oh.
ठीक है. तो एल्विश यादव का जो दोस्त है, उसके फैंस आई थिंक आर मोर जॉबलेस. No, genuinely. I mean, come on.
Bella fans, you're not that jobless, okay? Don't make him win.
Yeah.
Prove Rohan right now.
No. They 100%. It's very difficult. उस लेवल की जॉबलेसनेस हो पाना बहुत मुश्किल है,
उस लेवल के
जगह जाके कौन मतलब वो बहुत मुश्किल है.
joblessness के levels
तो
up. I like,
बट आई थिंक आई एम हैप्पी कि बेला वुड मेक अ बैग आउट ऑफ इट, एंड
which is he'll get,
बढ़िया ही विल,
hopefully
which is
he'll
good.
get some
It's good.
fame-ish, like more people know about him in the future.
हाँ
I don't know about these reality
good.
shows, but ठीक है. It serves a purpose.
Hmm.
चलो, I think we should end this here.
यप यप.
If
अब
we
तो
have
बेला फैंस के
forgotten,
पास कुछ नहीं बचा बताने
है
के
ना?
लिए. अरे हाँ, आप क्या करोगे? आप कोई
Evil
कमेंट
now.
नहीं कर पाएगा.
Okay, anything else we have missed? Dhanji fans, don't come at us. We are leaving that for a future date.
Next
And
episode.
yeah, chalo. Thank you, Rohan. And
Thank you.
update us on sound check when you can.
कर दूंगा. अरे आप यहाँ पे कैसे? अरे कर दूंगा, मैं अगली बार करता हूँ.
Okay, chalo. Next Punjabi song
Chalo.
for him to sing. Leave the request in the comments. Take care of yourselves.
Done.
Live long and prosper.
वर्तमान आंखों का धोखा है, भूत सीखने का मौका है, भविष्य उम्मीदों की नौका है, आज मेरा संगीत से रोका है, नाक पे चांदी का कोका है, दिमाग में केवल
कुछ ना कुछ बोलते रहना है.
धरती एक माया नगरी है, हवा से हवा का झोंका है.